Was good with y'all niggas, man. We back for Chainsaw Man episode 9. You feel me? I don't want to give you a long intro, so let's keep it quick. Last episode, Himeno got her shit bopped straight to the gulag. That's where she's going. Sacrificed all her body parts so that she could use the max power of the ghost devil. Trying to save Aki, you feel me? She wants him to cry for her. All that, you feel me? So what you call it? I think that's where we stopped off last episode. So my nigga Denji is definitely about to turn up if he pulls up to this fight. Katana Devil was going crazy. You feel me? That nigga was on smoke with everyone. He didn't give a fuck. Orders from the Gun Devil. I think he was working under the Gun Devil. So without further ado, bruh, let's get straight to it. I won't lie, that's true love right there. That's true love right there. Yeah, sir. Oh yeah, shit, yo, she bopped the ghost. Or he, whatever the fuck this individual decides to refer to themselves as, you feel me? I don't give a fuck. Bro, I won't lie. Later on in the show, there must be some demonic fucking devils, you feel me? If we already have like building eating ass devils, it's just about to go crazy. Oh shit, hey, yo, one more chance on my nigga Denji. One more chance on my nigga. Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. You need to take them down, Denji. Yeah, sir. This nigga Denji is a demon. This nigga always sound like he tripping. Yeah, sir. Bro, I won't lie, the Katana Devil looks cold as fuck. Bro, Denji doesn't give a fuck what no one thinks, bro. No one. Like, remember, like a few episodes ago, this nigga was like, you know what? To make the Eternity Devil decide to give up, I'm just gonna shred his guts until he can't stand the pain. This nigga has like that demonic level entity thinking, bro. This nigga's like, you know what? I might be the good guy here, but I'ma grab myself a hostage. I don't give a fuck. Because nobody cares what happens to the bad guys I kill. Simple. No, Denji's a demon. Oh shit, and he cares. I'm calling that this caring is cap. Raw. Hey, I knew the carrying was capped, but that was fast as fuck. I don't know. This nigga might be nice. He might be him. He might be him. Disrespectfully too.
さっさと車を持ってこい。急げよ。チェーンソーのお仲間は全員撃ち殺したはずだが。
Oh yeah, shit. And using guns go power up the gun devil too. Nice little touch right there. Who the fuck are these people? Makima pack getting smoked. Never mind. It's fucking never mind. Watch there just be bodies on the train. Oh, she killed some people in there. She killed some people for sure. Savagely. Blood-stained coat. She the goat. You feel me?
どこか撃たれましたか。これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
What the fuck? Oh, she obliterated those niggas.
おい、おい、待てよ。なんか、なんだこれ。テンパってんじゃねえ。待て。おい、なんか変な感じだ。ああ？
変な感じってどういう。
What the fuck? This has to be Makima. Has to be.
いい班、C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
It's her, right? Yeah, no, I remember what she's doing. I remember what she's doing. Shit. Actually, no, I don't know what she's doing. I kind of know what she's doing.
Mishima Shuzo と言いなさい。
三島修造。
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。おい、車に運べ。おい、聞いてるのか。三島。
Say goodbye, Shuzo. Oh my lord. Fuck. GG. What the fuck do you do against that shit, bro? She wiped all those niggas. Does Denji now get to absorb the blood on accident too? Bro, she wiped those niggas out without even being there, bro. But how did she know the names of the niggas who were part of the organization? That's a good fucking question right there. Because she doing some Death Note type shit right here. Oh my fucking god, there is no way. There is no fucking way Kobeni's about to be on demon time. She got the sword on, well, the knife on her like a psycho. And her homie just died. So she might go crazy on these niggas. It's still fuck Kobeni, but you know what I'm saying? If she causes a massacre here, we might be on Kobeni's crew. Yeah, she's gonna go crazy. Bro, she actually has some sauce. But why the fuck is she always bitching if she kinda has some sauce? What the fuck? Use my nigga as a human shield right there. Oh, look, that was nice, Kobeni. That was nice. Bro, I don't remember any of this shit, but that was fucking nice. Holy shit.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。
I ain't gonna lie. Apology accepted, bruh. Apology accepted, bruh. She just did some nice shit right there. Hopefully she don't try to sneak my nigga Denji again. But that was nice.
殺そうとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。
Was that like her first like partner who died? Probably. Probably. Holy shit. Yo, she's a demon in disguise. Like I said.
人員不足のため、特異1課、2課、3課は4課と合併。以降、公安大麻特異4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。
Not a care in the world. She happy about this.
何？
僕の辞表です。
やめちゃうの？
特異課がきな臭くなってきました。辞めるか殺されるかの二択ですよ。
そう。
Yo, did my boy just expect some kind of, oh, please come back. I need you, bro. This bitch is cold, bro. She doesn't give a fuck. He's like, alright, nigga, you wanna be useless? Fuck off. Her energy is, I don't know if it's disgusting or interesting, bro. I still love you, Makima.
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。
Hateful.
まどかくん、今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
マキマさん、俺たち得意課に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Something, you know what? They copyright me for this shit, so I paused perfectly. Something about how that bitch didn't turn her back. You know, like, bro, this girl is confusing as fuck. You can never tell what she's thinking. She turned her back, and now you're like, maybe she cares, maybe she gives a fuck. I doubt it. But yo, I won't lie, this episode was nice. I'm gonna go enjoy this theme song by myself. But let me give you a review real quick, bruh. The episode was crazy. Denji was brought back to life and the nigga took his second L. I can't lie. After the whole Eternity Devil thing, I thought that this nigga might be invincible, but they put him in his place very fast. And we learn in this episode that Makima's just a fucking demon, bro. Unfair by every standard there is, bro. The enemy knows that she's cracked. It's like, oh, who the fuck could have killed this remotely, Makima? Feel me? She is a demon. So, you know what I'm saying? The episode was something like, can't wait to see the next one, bro. And I get to see it now. I'll catch you niggas later.